Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when your hard drive is not initialized and how you can fix your problem. Let's get started. First, what you have to do is open Google Chrome and then search for many tool partition. Just click on this first link and then here you'll see a website. Just hover your mouse on download partition wizard and then click on this green download button. Once you do this, it will download it. Just click on this and open this, and then it will load something, and then here you'll see just click on continue installing free edition and then click on next. Now make sure you check this one and uncheck this one. Just uncheck mini tool shadow maker free as we don't need this, and just click on next. Once it completes, now what you have to do is it will show you like this. Now just select your not initialized drive and then right click on it and then click on rebuild mbr. Once you do this, click on yes and it will complete it, and now just click on OK, and now right click on it and then select create new partition. Here just write the partition name, just select the letter and then click on OK, and it will successfully create your new partition. And that's how you can fix your problem if your problem still occurs. So make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.